Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. It says save on incredible new tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Yeah, we got some new items. It says we have hundreds of new tools designed for the features and performance durability. Snap-on, DeWalt, Honda, and other pro brands. Ridiculous low Harbor Freight prices. New tools arriving every week. Yeah, Harbor Freight it is. Upgrading their pretty much their arsenal, their store, and with all the new tools, redesigning and pretty much redesigning and bringing in the tools. All right, we got the new 12,000 truck SUV winch, $599.99. This is a beast, guys. I heard nothing but good things about this thing. It has some high quality plates here on the front. You know, it's I believe it's not wire. It's like some thick rope material or really strong rope material. But yeah, got some good stuff here. This thing's great, guys. Definitely give it a try. It does have 5 stars. Got 3-in-1 quick connect light kit. This is like the brown light, the flip brown light, the LED bar brown light. $39.99. So we do have a coupon for that. I believe we've seen this. Yeah, $59.99. I believe that was the starting price. Now they brought it down to $49.99, and now we have it down to $39.99 for this coupon. So definitely well worth it. Definitely recommend this light for you guys. It is a 3-in-1. It's a micro USB charging port, cable included. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery, 3 quick connections. So you could basically make it into a three type flashlight there. OBD2 code reader with 3.5-inch display and active test physics assist ZR15 269. I do have the ZR4. That video should be coming up soon, either this week or next week. But yeah. And we got the 9-gallon wet and dry vacuum, $59.99, not a bad deal. We got the 20-volt lithium coreless jigsaw, $44.99. Definitely some nice jigsaws by Bauer. Really nice tools. 7-inch rotary variable speeds polisher and sander, $39.99. You got the new 1 1/3 sheet heavy duty finishing sander, $34.99. And then you got the 4.5 professional angle grinders from Hercules. Yeah, these things are a beast, guys. I know this one does have 4.5, but usually they should be, fairly good. This is I believe this is a 7 amp, and this is a 11 amp. So this is the much bigger one. You got the 6.5 amp corded trim router, $59.99. Got the 1/2-inch professional drive deep impact sockets from Icon, $55.99. So this is a coupon, guys. So if you guys need some professional impact sockets, definitely recommend that. If you guys don't have that kind of money and you guys want to get something cheaper, go with the Pittsburgh Pro. Those are definitely some great value for the money. I still have mine. I haven't broken them yet. There's sometimes they even get to $19.99. So definitely recommend those for you guys. 140 lumens rechargeable pen lights, $11.49. Not a bad deal. That's 6x9 canvas drop cloth, $6.99. You got the 4x12, $7.99. And then you got the HD 1080p dash camera. These things are great, guys. If you guys ever get into an accident, I drive a company vehicle, so people are starting. They're trying to blame you for if something happens to them. Obviously getting the insurance claim and all that stuff. But yeah, it's a liability. You just got to watch out for your own safety and your own benefit. Your own stuff. So having a camera does help you in case of an accident, and you don't have any witnesses. So there you go. You got it on record. So $69.99 will definitely get you that footage there. You got the Braun 400 lumens waterproof spotlights, $14.99. I gotta pick this up, guys. Gotta try that out. I do have this. I will be making a video, so stay tuned for that video. Please subscribe. 115 lumens wall mount solar security lights, $8.99. You got the 110 lumen magnetic flex light, $7.99. And I gotta get this too, guys. This is because I do a lot of electricity. If you guys don't know, I do have a solar system. I have a, I have inverter, batteries, all kinds of stuff. So I do some electrical work, and sometimes I need something like this, something reliable. The one that I have right now kind of sucks. To tell you guys the truth, it's probably just a generic, non-branded version of something like this. You got the wire stripper, 8 to 18 and 10 to 20 stranded wires, crimps, connectors, lugs, terminals, heavy duty curved cutting blades designed for cutting thick copper wire size of 1699. Then you got the IP55 rated large organizer. If you guys haven't seen my videos, I did take a video of this thing when I went to the store, so keep that in mind. $5.99 for that. And then you got the 550 waterproof clear case for $11.99. This is not a bad deal. And then you got the 14 by 13 shop towels, pack of 50, $9.99. You got the 10 by 10 straight leg pop-up canopy for $70.99. All right, guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to share this video or this email with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals. And I do have some 2 review Tuesdays. Let me know if you guys want to look at any of these items. I could probably stop by and get some of these items and do a review. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.